Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School. Here at Automation School, we love teaching our viewers how to set up their very own YouTube automation channel based on our expert knowledge and understanding of the field. In today's video about YouTube automation, we are going to cover our top 5 recommended high RPM YouTube niches. Are you ready to start learning what the most profitable YouTube niches are? Then let's get started. Before we get into anything else, you should first understand why it is important to select a niche for your YouTube channel. Selecting and sticking with a niche has a few distinct advantages, however, that will benefit the growth of your YouTube automation channel. The first benefit is audience targeting. By choosing a specific niche, you can more easily target a specific group of viewers who are interested in the content you're creating. This allows you to build a more dedicated and engaged audience. Another benefit that comes with selecting a niche is monetization. Some niches are more profitable than others, and choosing a high RPM niche can help you generate more revenue from your channel. By selecting a niche, you also get access to competitor analysis. By understanding your niche, you can also better understand your competitors and find ways to differentiate your content and stand out in the market. It also benefits your consistency. Choosing a niche allows you to stay focused on a specific topic and create consistent, high-quality content that appeals to your target audience. And finally, branding. Having a niche allows you to build a brand around it, making it easier for viewers to find you and identify your content. You may have heard me refer to something called RPM in this video. For those that are unfamiliar with YouTube automation keywords, RPM, or revenue per mil, is a metric used to measure the revenue generated from a YouTube channel. It is calculated by dividing the total revenue generated by the channel by the number of views or impressions, in thousands, the channel receives. According to Google's official documentation, RPM is based on several revenue sources, including ads, channel memberships, YouTube Premium revenue, Super Chat, and Super Stickers. An RPM niche on YouTube refers to a specific category or topic that is known to generate high RPM. You probably now see how they link and why it is important for your YouTube automation channel. As noted so far, selecting a niche for your channel comes with a bunch of benefits that can influence the growth of your channel alone. However, selecting a high RPM niche is an even better way to create your very own cash cow YouTube automation channel. So, what are our top 5 recommended high RPM niches then? Number 1. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a high RPM YouTube niche because it is a rapidly growing and constantly evolving industry. With new developments and innovations happening all the time, there is always something new to talk about and discuss. Additionally, cryptocurrency has a large and passionate community of followers who are always eager to learn more and stay up to date on the latest trends and news. This community is also highly engaged and active on social media, including YouTube, making it a prime target for content creators looking to build an audience and grow their channel. Furthermore, cryptocurrency is a topic that is both complex and highly technical, making it ideal for educational and informative content that can help viewers understand the underlying concepts and mechanics of the industry. Overall, cryptocurrency is a high RPM YouTube niche that offers a wealth of opportunities for content creators looking to tap into the growing interest in this exciting and rapidly evolving industry. Estimated RPM revenues range from $2.26 to $11.84 for this niche. Number 2. Technology. Technology is one of the most popular niches on YouTube, and it's easy to see why. With new gadgets and devices constantly being released, there's always something new to unbox, review, and discuss. From smartphones and laptops to smartwatches and home automation devices, there's a wide range of products to choose from. Not only do tech reviewers unbox and review the latest devices, but they also provide valuable information such as specifications, features, and performance comparisons. This allows viewers to make more informed decisions when purchasing new technology. Additionally, technology reviewers also provide troubleshooting and repair tutorials, which can be very valuable for tech enthusiasts and buyers. This niche is not only popular among consumers, but also among manufacturers and sellers, as they use reviews and unboxing videos as a marketing tool. This niche is also known for its high RPM, which is why it is always in demand. On average, the RPM for YouTube channels ranges from $1 to $5, but can be higher or lower depending on the channel's niche and audience. Number 3. Email marketing. Email marketing is a high RPM niche on YouTube because it allows businesses and individuals to directly target specific audiences and reach out to them in a personalized and efficient manner. Email marketing campaigns can be tailored to specific demographics, such as age, location, and interests, ensuring that the message reaches the intended audience. Additionally, email marketing allows for detailed tracking and analysis, providing valuable insights into the effectiveness of campaigns and allowing for adjustments and optimizations to be made. The ability to segment email lists and personalize messages also allows for higher open and click-through rates, resulting in increased conversions and sales. Overall, email marketing is a high RPM niche on YouTube because of its ability to target specific audiences, provide valuable insights, and result in increased conversions. It also has the highest estimated RPM, ranging from $14.55 all the way to $50. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular niche for YouTube because it has a high return on investment (ROI) potential. Dropshipping allows individuals to start an online business with minimal upfront costs, as they do not need to purchase inventory or handle the logistics of shipping products. Instead, they partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer. This means that dropshippers can focus on finding profitable products, creating a brand, and marketing their online store, which can yield a high ROI if done correctly. Additionally, YouTube is a powerful tool for dropshippers to reach a large audience and promote their products. It is a visual platform that allows dropshippers to showcase the products they are selling, demonstrate how they are used, and provide reviews and testimonials to build trust with potential customers. Furthermore, dropshipping is a high RPM niche on YouTube because it is a scalable business model. As a dropshipper grows their business, they can expand their product offerings, increase their advertising budget, and hire additional staff to manage their online store. This allows dropshippers to increase their revenue and profits as their business grows. Dropshipping is a high RPM niche on YouTube because it has high ROI potential, is a cost-effective way to reach a large audience, and is a scalable business model. Dropshipping RPM ranges from $2.50 all the way to $11.82. Number 5. E-commerce software. E-commerce software is a high RPM niche on YouTube because it is a highly sought-after topic by individuals and businesses looking to start or improve their online store. These viewers are often looking for solutions to problems they are facing with their current e-commerce platform or are searching for a new platform to use. As a result, the niche is filled with a wide range of content, including product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. Additionally, many e-commerce software companies offer affiliate programs, allowing creators to earn commission on any sales made through their referral links. This can lead to a significant increase in revenue for creators who have a sizable audience in this niche. Overall, the e-commerce software niche is a high RPM niche because it has a large and engaged audience, a wide range of content, and the potential for significant revenue through affiliate programs. RPM averages for this niche range from $9.22 all the way to $33.29. And that brings us to the end of the video. We hope after presenting our top 5 high RPM niches that you are able to find one that you like. Want to learn more about YouTube automation? Check out our other videos and make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content. Until next time, see you later, automators.